Welcome Blue Bike and Doors channel. I gotta see if I got any more. Should have another one of these somewhere. I believe that one's about full. Or is full. Yep. Alright. Let me hang my Cat 80 there hat up. Alright. Welcome to Dickin Around the Shed where we either gonna mess it up or fix it up. Wife fenders, one of her fenders came off, so I was thinking how I'm gonna fix it. I think I'm just gonna use one of these stuff. Run it through there, bolt it down, and be done with it. Maybe. Alright, let's see what we can do. Run that intro. Alright, this is what we're doing. Oh, I'm getting down here where you can see me. You can see me now. Trying to drink plenty of water, it's hot. Summertime, what do you expect? People complain about the wintertime when being cold and summertime being hot. Would you want the summertime to be cold and the wintertime be hot? Probably. You can't please everybody. I'd rather have it hot and sunny than cold and rainy. So here's the deal. Here's the deal. Sound like one of them old cops. Here's the deal. We can make it hard way or the easy way. You just give me... anyway. Here's the screws that goes with it. And what I did was take... There's 4 holding back of this on here, and then there's 2 in the top. So I just took some out. What I'm going to do is take my drill bit. I done lost one of them screws. I'll be darned. No, I didn't. There it is. I pulled this out the other side. I'm going to take my drill and this little bolt right here, and I'm going to bolt it up because I can't find these little things unless I go to Can-Am and order them properly. So I took a couple out the other side to run up in here to hold the top of the fender down, and I got zip ties in. That's how I fixed it. Right here, zip ties. I don't know if you can see it. Zip ties there and there. That holds the fender in. It's still a little loose, but it made it home. So you can see up in here, there's holes back and forth. Let me turn you around this way. I don't know how we're gonna do this. But you got a long bolt that goes right in there, and I never could get started because I was lazy to get up and get a screw started. I may get up and I don't see no holder started in. There it is. Pull that over like so, and try to get this one I couldn't get started, and I just left that with a zip tie on it. See? So maybe I can get this. If I can get the light to stay in one spot. And you cut yourself off. See, you stand up right there, will you? Stand. Alright, let's see if we can get this in that hole. Well, might need to hold up a minute. Let me see if I can get this started. Might be some foul language. But look at that. I got it without any cuts. How about that? And I done lost my dang ratchet. Let's get this ratchet. Nope, I didn't have it, did I? Oh, I thought I had it. That's the thing. You don't know you got it till you don't have it. And you don't think you got it and you don't have it. Should have just took the time and did this, and probably the other ones wouldn't have fell out. See? One screw. There you got some more to go back here in the back. Like right in there. You don't know if you can see that. There's a whole screw right there, needs one. And it might go, it might not. Might throw some chicken butts. I don't know what you can see and what you can't. I didn't have it. That's the thing, you can't get the... There you go. I only need... You don't know if you got it till you got it, and then you don't have it, then you don't got it, then you got it, then you don't got it. You think you got it, and you don't have it. I bet you I don't have it. It's in there, but it's not in there. I guess, I don't know. Alright, we're back. We had a technical difficulty because GoPro got too hot. Well, here's what we did. You know, we fixed it with the zip ties. But now we got bolts in there. I was worrying about these bolts being so close to the tar. But I'm going to double check that, but I'm pretty sure they ain't going to hit because I checked it a while ago. And if they are, I'll just take my trimmer and zip, zip, zip. I think I'll go ahead and do that now instead of even having to worry about it. Yep. Got that laid lock tight. I put the bolts that was in here, the two little black ones. I put them back in the top. And you can see it's good and tight. It's German certified. It's good and tight. So let me put the wheel back while I'm on Dremel it. And then I'll cut you off so it won't get too hot. Yep, you see what I did here? Did two bolts there. And that's what they should have done it to start with, but I guess they wanted to make a cleaner look. Which on the back side, you can't really tell. There's black Allen heads. So, yeah, that'll work. Works for me. Ooh, it's hot. Alright, folks. There you have it. I just drilled those holes out that was where your bolts up and ran the bolts through it and Loctited and nutted them back on there instead of using them screws, metal screws in the plastic. Who would have thought that would have held? Guess it held long as it did, didn't it? It'll work till it don't. Anyway, I put bolts in it and Loctited them, so hopefully we won't have that problem again. Yeah. So it's hot, and I'm gonna go get me some more aqua, and that's water for y'all non-Spanish speaking people. I'm hot. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna pour Lucille back in here, wash my hands. Go check out that video there, that one there, and hit the subscribe button over here, and drink plenty of water. It's hot out there.